All right, let's make crispy, golden pork lumpia, step by step. First, ingredients. I'm using 1 pound ground pork, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 small onion finely diced, 1 cup shredded carrots, 1 cup shredded cabbage, 2 green onions sliced, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon sugar, a pinch of salt, lumpia wrappers, plus 1 egg beaten for sealing and neutral oil for frying. Step 1. Prep the filling. In a skillet over medium heat, I add a touch of oil, then the onions and the garlic. Cook till fragrant, about a minute. In goes the ground pork. Break it up and cook until it's no longer pink. Add carrots, add cabbage, add green onions. Season with soy sauce, pepper, sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. Stir and cook 2-3 minutes, just until the veggies soften, but still keep a little bite. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool completely. This prevents soggy wrappers. Step 2. Set up the rolling station. I place the lumpia wrappers under a slightly damp towel so they don't dry out. Beat 1 egg with a splash of water for sealing. Take 1 wrapper and lay it like a diamond, 1 point facing me. Spoon 2. Tablespoons of filling near the bottom point. Fold the bottom point over the filling, roll once, then fold in the sides snug like a burrito. Keep rolling tight till you reach the top. Brush the tip with egg wash and seal. Repeat until all the filling is used. If you want ultra straight edges, trim ends with scissors. Optional. Step 3. Fry time. Heat 1. 2 to 2 inches of oil to 350, 360 degrees, 175, 182 degrees. If you don't have a thermometer, a tiny scrap of wrapper should bubble steadily, not furiously. Gently slide in a few lumpia. Don't overcrowd. Fry 3 to 5 minutes, turning so they brown evenly. You want deep golden and crisp. Transfer to a wire rack or paper towels to drain. Step 4. Sauce. Quick sweet chili dip. Store-bought sweet chili sauce with a squeeze of lime and a dash of soy. Or classic vinegar dip. White vinegar, minced garlic, a pinch of salt, pepper, and a touch of sugar. Step 5. Serve. Let the lumpia rest 2 minutes so they stay crisp, then slice on a bias for party bites, or keep whole for that satisfying crunch. Listen. That's the sound. Pure, shattery crisp outside, juicy, savory pork inside. Tips. If baking, brush with oil and bake at 425 degrees, 220 degrees for 18 to 22 minutes, flipping once. For freezing, lay rolled lumpia on a sheet tray to freeze, then bag. Fry from frozen at 350 degrees a minute or 2 longer.